Dictionary.com offers the following example of chaotic systems, and I quote: the behavior of systems that follow deterministic laws but appear random and unpredictable. Chaotic systems are very sensitive to initial conditions. Small changes in those conditions can lead to quite different outcomes. Keeping this in mind, I offer the following poem as an example of chaotic systems. It's called Physics 101. As a mother was loading groceries into her trunk, she turned to tickle her baby's chin. The child squealed in his stroller with a toothless grin, then involuntarily kicked his left foot out an inch or two, which barely grazed the edge of a nearby shopping cart with the slightest impact from his size 1 saddle shoe. Thus began an F times T situation, with F being force and T being time, which resulted in just enough contact to alter the shopping cart's stationary course. Newton's law had been enforced by its tiny might, as inertia was interrupted by the infinitesimal bump which caused its wheels to move 10 degrees to the right, and at this angle a slight acceleration began, slowly at first, across the inclined plane of asphalt there. Resistance was overcome, the unseen power of gravity working its force on the metal and plastic where its velocity increased, careening wildly down the lot, crashing into another wagon as pins are struck in bowling. The cycle repeated as the first cart transferred its kinetic energy to the second cart, sending it speedily down the lot a-rolling, teetering on 2 wheels now, far from the shelter of its store. And that is why my new car doesn't look new anymore.